Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into a topic that's absolutely crucial for any colorist working from home or on the go. That's how to ensure you're getting a proper video signal when color grading. Specifically, we're going to talk about the Blackmagic Mini Monitor, what it does, why it's important, and how I've integrated it into my home grading setup. So what is the Blackmagic Mini Monitor? First things first, let's cover what the Mini Monitor actually is. So it's a compact little device that connects your computer via Thunderbolt or PCI, and at the moment also USB-C. So its primary purpose is to output a true video signal to an external monitor, bypassing your computer's operating system and color pipeline. So why is that important? Well, if you're relying on your computer to send a signal to your monitor, you're introducing potential inaccuracies. Your computer's color pipeline can interfere with the image. And as a colorist, that's the last thing you want. So the Mini Monitor ensures that what you see on your external display is the actual unaltered video signal. How I use the Mini Monitor in my setup. In my grading setup, I'm using the Mini Monitor to send a clean video signal to my Eizo monitor. This monitor isn't a high-end Flanders Scientific or anything, but it's calibrated and it does the job really well for my home studio setup. Thanks to the Mini Monitor, I'm confident that the image that I'm seeing is accurate and unaffected by macOS or any other system process. So to get this thing working, you simply connect the monitor to your computer, plug in your SDI, HDMI cable, and select it as the output device in DaVinci Resolve preferences. It's really that straightforward. So why this matters for freelance colorists? When setting up my home grading suite, I had one big goal in mind: keeping costs down while not cutting corners on what really matters. And for a colorist, accurate monitor is absolutely critical. It doesn't matter if you're working on big budget projects or a passion project. If your monitor isn't showing you the true image, your grading decisions simply won't translate properly to other screens. The Mini Monitor is one of the most affordable ways to achieve professional grade monitoring at home. And honestly, it's a game changer. So setting it up. The setup process for the Mini Monitor is simple. Connect the monitor to your computer using a Thunderbolt cable. Use an SDI cable if you're connecting to a professional monitor, or an HDMI cable, in my case, for other displays. In DaVinci Resolve, go to the Preference, Video and Audio I/O, and select the Mini Monitor as your video output device. Make sure your monitor is calibrated and you're good to go. So my experience so far. I've been using the Mini Monitor for a few weeks now, and I'm really happy with the results. It gives me peace of mind knowing that what I'm grading is accurate. Before using it, I always felt unsure whether macOS color pipeline was messing up the image, and now I can just focus purely on the creative side of things, without second guessing my tools. The Mini Monitor is also great for client work. If you're doing remote sessions, you can combine it with tools like Film.io or Blackmagic's own cloud to ensure the client is seeing exactly what you're seeing. It's an affordable but professional solution for anyone looking to up their game. Final thoughts. If you're setting up a home studio for color grading, the Blackmagic Mini Monitor is one of those tools that you should not overlook. It's affordable, it's easy to set up, and it gives you the confidence that your grades are accurate and reliable. So let me know in the comments below if you're already using a Mini Monitor or if you're considering adding one to your setup. If you have any questions about color grading or setting up your own studio, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and for more content or color grading and filmmaking, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.